Virgos, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to do your weekly reading from 19th till 25th of October, and we will see what are the guidance messages for you in the coming week. Okay, so for those who are new to my channel, a warm welcome to you all, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing and hit the bell notification icon as well, so that you will be able to get updated about my latest videos. Okay, and this is a general reading. It might or might not resonate with all of you. So let's see what is there for my Virgos in the week from 19th till 25th of October. 8 of Cups. Where are you moving? Moving away from stress? Are you moving away from something? Page of Cups as well. Okay, so feeling in love. So I'm really getting, Virgos, that you are feeling very emotionally lost, or you are feeling emotional. Okay, so it's like emotions are involved in the season right now with Virgos. What else is happening for my Virgos? Queen of Wands. Very energies are involved in right now with you. Might be, you are feeling energetic in your work, but you are trying to balance. I'm really getting, your emotional life, your work life. You're trying to balance. Yeah, you're in the process. Let's see what else do we have. One more shuffle. One more. So at the back of the deck we have, so one more card we have, Death. So Knight of Wands with the Fool over here. So we have two cards, you and your person. So I'm really getting that, this is not a beginning. This is the end of something. And a new beginning. I'm really getting that, after the end you try to transform. So this is an energy which you ended. Might be a relationship with somebody with whom you have ended, and again you are starting something new with this person. So you are like giving one more chance. You are very positive towards this thing, Virgos. Yeah, your energies are really positive, but I'm not getting the same energies from the person of yours over here. They are hiding something, they are holding back from the same thing, because you might be, it was like a distance between you and your person, and all of a sudden it was a new beginning again, like one more chance. But for them right now it is like, okay, you are again happy. You are see, with the Page of Wands and the High Priestess, you are like, you're happy again. You want to try one more time with this person. You are enthusiastic, you are happy, you are like, let's do it again. So your energies are really positive. Okay, with the Ace of Pentacles as well, that whatever will happen, I'm ready, I'm happy to be with you, whatever the situation is. You are standing by that person, beside that person. And but not the same energies from that side, Virgos, because they are trying to hide something. It's like they have gone, they have gone silent. The more you have been in, you know that stage where you are like, I'm happy, I'm excited, let's do this. The excitement I'm seeing is in you, not from that person. They are still, there is something. Okay, like, when you both talk, it's like very good, you feel good, they also feel good, but sometime or other it is like the past coming back again, and still saying, talking the same things which you already discussed about. You have already, like, I'm not doing this, I'm here, I'm there. Okay, whatever this is. Okay, but still again and again the same things repeating again. I'm seeing, Virgos, in your part. It's like you want to start, but again and again they are talking about the same scenario which you have already discussed, and it's not an end. You are really, it's like you want to start, you want to have family with this person. 10 of Cups, I'm seeing that is in your future energies, but all they are doing, they are just coming up with the conflicts. They are like arguments, fighting, and unnecessary fights. It's like it's of no use. because they are feeling that might be an ego issue, or might be it's like, okay, I'm popular, I'm more popular than you, I'm this than you. It is always like that kind of a competition between both of you again. Okay, so that is why the conflicts are coming. They are feeling that they are superior, and you are making them they're feeling, then they just want you to feel that they are superior and you're inferior. That is why they are just behaving like this, and that is why this is the reason of conflicts again and again. The advice for you is the Magician and the Knight of Cups over here. um I'm getting that, when we try to manifest love, I'm really getting that you always try to manifest to make that person come back in your life, and that person came. But what happened after that? The fights involved, you both started getting a lot of getting involved in fights, in unnecessary arguments, just, issues never getting resolved. So that is what you are again in the same scenario. So what you need to manifest now, you don't need to manifest the love, you need to manifest patience. Okay, love the person, you don't need to manifest, you need to manifest the bonding. Okay, whatever the bonding is, whatever, wherever you both are, you actually need to see that the love remains same. Okay, so what else do we have? Two of Cups. See, the love should remain the same. Okay, wherever you go, wherever they go, there's no chance of moving away now, because you both are together. See, 2 and 8 of Cups makes the 10 of Cups, so I'm getting that. Okay, so it's like just coming back with this person again is not like, it's not meant to just leave them. Okay, coming back to leave them, no, that is not the end of story. How to make that thing resolve, that is the story. Ace of Wands, a new start, the idea of a new beginning is what is actually you have always thought about with this person. You have always thought to have a family, but why is it not working then? Okay, you have to look in that thing. 3 of Cups, Ace of Wands, the 3 of Cups, meetings. Okay, going out together. So that is what you need over here. You have a lot of cups, really. You have all, I really get feel that you have so many cups. 10, Ace, 2, 3, 8 of Cups, so many of cups, Knight of Cups. So emotions are really important with you right now, Virgos. So don't let it go now. Okay, this person, if this person is back, if you are happy, you have always been happy with this person, just don't let it go now. Okay, just stay there and be together wherever you are. It's like, it's the bond which is important, togetherness is important. Okay, what do we have over here? We have Capricorn, Aries, and Pisces. We have Cancer. What else? Scorpio we have over here. And what else? Libra, Cancer, Gemini. So these all signs we have over here. So that is all from my side, my Virgos. I hope it helps, and we will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.